Friday the 13th, part 6. As a child, Tommy Jarvis did what many others died trying to do. He killed Jason Voorhees, the mass murderer who terrorized the residents of Crystal Lake. Years later, tormented by the fear that maybe Jason isn't really dead, Tommy makes a fearful trip to Jason's grave. A fateful trip, my bad.
Tommy! Would you just leave that thing alone? Please!
Her side, to the back. And skirt. The background looks like the inside of a house or something. Spider webs and dirt and all kind of stuff. I was sitting here editing and I forgot to say, don't forget to press that like and subscribe button, and I love y'all. Thanks for watching. I don't know if y'all can even see that or not, but hopefully you could. Of course. He's got another hand. A machete. A Bowie knife. Rambo knife. Whatever you want to call it. Big old knife. His mask. Wrong finger, sorry. His mask. Got a tombstone. Cracked on the back with Jason's name on it. Got, looks like some kind of fence post or a spear for real. I mean, I guess it's just a spear. I don't know. This looks like something he tore out of the ground. Oh, this goes together. Look at that. There's not that. At the bottom. I don't know. Whatever. This dude's ugly, by the way. Ugly, bro. Sorry, dog, but you were ugly, bro. And here he is. With ugly self. Cause it's ugly. But y'all don't forget to wash them hands and all that good stuff, and see you later. Bye.